Hello, good morning mga kamars. Ayan, nakabihis po tayo ngayon kasi first day po ngayon mga kamars na papunta po kami doon po sa may venue po na mag-seminar po kami Mars ng sa tourism. Ayan, mag-entra muna tayo. Ayan Mars, sasakay na po tayo ngayon ng motor kung saan po ang venue na doon po kami mag venue po ng seminar ng tourism. Ayan. Andito na po tayo sa venue po na ito kay Inking. Ayan. Sa group 1 nga among menu sa activity 1 menu planning mo siya ang sa Monday breakfast ang pritong daing daing sa AM snack, suman na mais, lang sinabaw na tilapia, sa PM, ginataang balanghoy.
So, sa group 1, ito hindi na to. Fishball. So, suma na mais, no? Tapos, sinabawan na tilapia. Okay. Ginataang. Tapos, daing, no? Ay, hindi na to kailangan kasi common naman. Ito lang yung tatlo. Oo. Okay? So, mamaya, lahat to ng naka-state Mamartes, lulutuin yan ng grupo ng mga nagaluto sa inyo. So, mamaya na yung instruction of 2. Okay? So, group 2 tayo.
Ayan. Kain muna tayo, Mars.
Maminaw na muna ko konti. Sa una sa dalawang nag-ipa-report ka ng mga menu. Sino pa ito, Day? Sino pa ito nagkaroon natin? Nag-report na natin sa mga menu. Sini. Ano ba?
I'd like to thank you for the faith and strength to win the day. Your words bring light, your power never dies and takes my fears away. It's not the hardest thing to do. How can I question you? Throw my life into the fray, let go and live my life your way. Make these changes, make me strong. Lean to His grace to guide you on. Lord, I say from bend and kneel, do what you ask of me. Sweet these dreams to make me see and believe what you've got coming. Is it worth our time to fight your right to ask me to obey? It's not the hardest thing to do. How can I question you? Throw my life into the fray, let go and live my life your way. Make these changes, make me strong. Lean to His grace to guide you on. Lord, I say from bend and kneel, do what you ask of me. Oh, 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 Lord, please visit as I pray. Make my dreams become the days. Like a child from a father's love, guide me as I'm growing up. It's not the hardest thing I'll do. This will be over soon. Keep me close as I'm lost amongst the fray. Will these changes make me strong? Your grace makes all things possible. Life is